Do you want to make money and get paid for your thoughts? And so, what do you think? If you want to work from home and make some extra money every now and then just by answering short survey, this is the video for you. This is called Pay Viewpoint. See it right there? I love it because the surveys are short, simple, and they take about anywhere from 5, no more than 15 minutes. Most of them take about 5 minutes because I've been doing this for a couple of years and it is so great. And the cash out is up to $15, $15 starting to cash out, but it is great. You can see my earnings right now. I'm making $14.02 right now, and 98 cents would take it to the $15 mark. Look, like I say, I've been doing this a couple of years. You can see right there 200 lifetime earning, $296.38. This is just taken out for my spare time. My spare time. Can you believe that? It's free to join, as it's called Pay Viewpoint. It's really about sharing your opinion with the world about leading products and just like simple things that you have in your home that you use or that you don't use, you might be thinking about using. But like I said, the cash out is $15, or you could build it up like a piggy bank and save it. You could get paid through PayPal or Amazon gift card, whatever you choose. Sometimes I choose the PayPal gift card where I can just get anything. Well, you get cash money. Um, then, like I said, but in order to do that, you have to get a PayPal account, which is free to join PayPal. Set that up so you get the money, or you could do the Amazon gift card, which is my favorite. I love to shop on Amazon. And what a great way to get all those wonderful things you could get at Amazon. One of the things I do, like I get the Amazon gift card, right? And which we know that Amazon owns Whole Foods Market. And I build up my gift cards, my Amazon gift cards, and I get groceries at Whole Foods. Right. Just from doing surveys. You cannot beat that. What a great way. So, like I said, the link is below. Free to join. Get started. Fill out the information so they could give you the survey. It's an invite only. Either they'll send an email to you or you could go on the site and start. Like here, they will have it. They'll say one or two. If I go on the site, one or two, three, whatever surveys available. I go on there, it'll pop on there. It's not on there right now. And it will pop on there and tell you when a survey available. Just start. And like I said, most of them take 5 minutes. I never know for too many of them take, you know, more than 15. Most of them are 5 minutes. Very simple surveys. And like I said, you will love it. And like I said, this dashboard here is when you fill out the surveys, be as honest as you can. And the more that you are honest with the surveys and the answers that you give, the higher your pay would be. The pay would increase. So, like I said, I got the 10,000 points score. And because I try to be as honest as I can with that. And like I said, you will get paid according to, how you answer. You will love this site. This is where about your information, where you tell about yourself. Like I said, it's a wonderful site. A lot of people love it. Like I said, I've been doing it for years. And like I said, the payout is great. Like I said, you'll get to $15 real quick. And they just before I filmed this video, they sent me a couple of surveys. They was real fast. They weren't even 5 minutes, if you ask me. And it just builds up. Like I said, the cash out is at $15. Like I said, you could choose the PayPal. Like I said, sign up for a PayPal account. Sign up for there, voila, and get that $15 or more. If you want to save it like a piggy bank, you can. Great way to have that extra money where we could do whatever, especially if we get it through PayPal. Amazon, you can get all these great things that you see on Amazon. Most people, hey, you can't turn down Amazon because they got some great items, and you don't have to leave your home. You don't even have to leave your home to do the surveys. The surveys is free. And like I said, if you choose that gift card, Amazon gift card, hey, you don't have to leave home shopping. You could get all the items you want just by doing surveys. They are very simple. You will love it. Like I said, the link is below. Please get started. The free merchandise lady is here to help you. Yes, I am. Get started. And I want to help you. Get that link. The link is below. Like I said, it's free to join. You can't beat it. Now, if you have any questions about the pay viewpoint, excuse me, just send me a comment. I will answer any questions that you have, no problem. And like I said, if you check out the reviews on the site, it is wonderful. It is simple. And like I said, short answer surveys. It's like I said, a lot of surveys try to ask you a lot of questions. This one is great because it is short answer. We want to get to the point, answer the surveys, get paid, get our $15 plus, or get that $15 plus gift card and just get it over with. Simple as that. Come on. Like I say again, free to join, free to sign up. The link is below. Get started now. The surveys are great. It's from leading brands of everyday things that we use. They just ask you a couple of questions. Simple as that. And then you can get that free PayPal cash or the Amazon gift card. What a great way. Get started. I know you can do it. You can. I know you want to save or get that cash.